Yo, what's up everybody, it's Varbab, and we're back with another video. Today we're diving deep into a topic that might keep you up at night, hidden cameras in hotel rooms. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to spot these hidden cameras, how to protect yourself when you're on the road, and what to do if you find yourself staring down the lens of a camera that's not supposed to be there. Alright, first things first. Hidden cameras aren't always easy to spot. They go for common household objects, things that blend in and don't scream, "Hey, I'm a camera." We're talking smoke detectors, man. Electrical outlets are another spot. Check for any tiny holes near the screws or any signs that the outlet itself looks kinda funky. Air purifiers, alarm clocks, even those seemingly innocent digital alarm clocks, they can all be hiding cameras. And don't even get me started on TV screens and mirrors. Those are classic hiding spots. Picture frames, stuffed animals, those weird little sculptures hotels love so much, they can all be compromised. Let's talk smoke detectors, those unsung heroes of hotel safety, or are they? A real smoke detector has vents to detect smoke. A fake one might lack vents or have perfect symmetrical ones. If it looks bulky or oddly shaped, that's a red flag. Real ones blink. Fake ones might have a constant light or none at all. Let's talk about electrical outlets, those seemingly innocent sources of power that are prime real estate for hidden cameras. Look for unusual placement or markings. Too high or low. Odd spot? That's suspicious. Check for tiny holes or lenses. Hidden cameras need a lens. Some are disguised as USB chargers. Tampered USB port? Red flag. Plug something in. Loose fit? Something's fishy. Remember, these creeps aren't master electricians. You know those little air purifiers hotels love to put in the rooms these days? Yeah, those can be a problem. They're small, they're inconspicuous, and they often have multiple vents or openings where a camera could be hidden. Check for any unusual lights or reflections. A lot of hidden cameras use infrared LEDs, which emit a faint red glow, especially in low light. Look at the vents or grills. Are they too big, too small? Do they seem misaligned or uneven? If so, there's a chance someone might have tampered with the air purifier to install a hidden camera. And don't forget about alarm clocks. They're another classic hiding spot for cameras. Check the front, the back, the sides, even the bottom. Look for any suspicious holes, wires, or lights. And if you see an alarm clock with a USB port, be extra cautious. Alright, let's talk about TV screens and mirrors, two of the sneakiest places to hide a camera. The easiest way to spot a hidden camera is to simply turn off the lights in the room and shine a flashlight directly at the screen. If there's a camera lens hidden somewhere on the bezel or behind the glass, the light will bounce off the lens and create a telltale reflection. For mirrors, place your fingertip directly on the surface of the mirror. If there's no gap between your finger and its reflection, you're probably dealing with a regular mirror. But if you see a noticeable gap, there's a good chance it's a two-way mirror, which means there could be a camera on the other side. If you're really paranoid about cameras and mirrors, you can always cover them up with a towel or a blanket. Hotel rooms are full of random decorations, right? Some might be hiding a dark, secret, hidden cameras. Look around. Any decorations seem out of place? Maybe a picture frame or a stuffed animal? Trust your gut. Inspect for unusual holes, wires, or lights. Pay attention to eyes, buttons, and sculpture details. Prime spots for tiny camera lenses, a USB port or SD card slot. Major red flag. Why would a decoration need data storage? It wouldn't, unless it's a hidden camera. Alright, let's talk about bathrooms, the one place in a hotel room where you should be able to expect a little privacy. First, check the shower head. Some shower heads are actually designed to conceal hidden cameras. Look for any unusual holes or lenses around the nozzle or the base of the shower head. Inspect the toiletries. Shampoo bottles, soap dispensers, even toothbrush holders can be used to hide cameras. Look for any unusual weight, shape, or branding. And don't forget about the hooks or hangers on the back of the bathroom door. Those are prime real estate for hidden cameras because they offer a clear view of the entire bathroom. Check for any unusual holes, wires, or attachments. If something seems off, give it a closer look. We live in a world surrounded by electronics, and unfortunately those electronics can be used against us. Wi-Fi routers, for example, are essential for staying connected on the road, but they can also be used to spy on unsuspecting guests. Check the router's location. Is it in a central location where it can easily pick up and transmit signals? Or is it tucked away in a corner or behind furniture where it might be trying to avoid detection? Take a look at the router's lights. If you notice any unusual lights or blinking patterns, that could be a sign that something's not right. Consider using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic and makes it much harder for hackers to intercept your data. Alright, let's talk about one of the oldest tricks in the book for spotting hidden cameras, the flashlight test. First, turn off all the lights in your hotel room. This is important because it eliminates any ambient light that might interfere with your camera spotting abilities. Grab your flashlight. Any flashlight will do, but a small, powerful one works best. Slowly and methodically shine your flashlight around the room, paying close attention to any reflective surfaces. This includes mirrors, picture frames, TV screens, smoke detectors, alarm clocks, basically anything that a camera lens could be hiding behind. Camera lenses are highly reflective, so if you shine your flashlight at a hidden camera lens, you'll see a bright telltale reflection. Alright, let's talk about wiring. Check the walls. Look for any holes, cracks, or gaps that seem out of place. Hidden cameras often require wires for power and data transmission. Check the ceiling. Check the smoke detectors, the light fixtures, even the air vents. Hidden cameras can be installed in any of these locations. Don't forget about the floor. Check under beds, behind curtains, and along baseboards. Hidden cameras can be installed in some pretty creative places, so it's important to be thorough. If you see any suspicious wiring running along the walls or behind furniture, that's a major red flag. Alright, let's talk about your phone. Most smartphone cameras are equipped with infrared sensors, which can pick up on the infrared light emitted by hidden cameras. Open up your phone's camera app and point it at the area where you suspect a hidden camera might be lurking. If you see a bright white light emanating from the suspected camera, bingo! You found it! It's a quick, easy, and free way to potentially expose a hidden camera. Alright, let's talk about hidden camera detectors, the big guns in the fight against creepy surveillance. There are two main types of hidden camera detectors: RF detectors and lens detectors. RF detectors work by scanning for the radio frequencies emitted by wireless cameras. They're great for finding hidden cameras that transmit video wirelessly. Lens detectors work by shining a bright red light and looking for the reflection off of a camera lens. They're effective at finding both wired and wireless cameras. When choosing a hidden camera detector, it's important to consider your needs and budget. Alright, let's talk about sound. Some hidden cameras emit a faint buzzing or clicking sound, especially when they're recording. If you're suspicious of a particular object, try putting your ear up to it and listening carefully. Here are a few things to listen for: a high-pitched whine, a faint clicking sound, or a rhythmic buzzing. These sounds might be very subtle, so you'll need to be in a quiet environment to hear them. If you're already suspicious of a particular object, listening for any telltale sounds can be a quick and easy way to confirm your suspicions. Alright, let's say you found a hidden camera in your hotel room. Now what? Well, the first thing you need to do is document everything. Grab your phone or camera and start taking pictures. Take pictures of the hidden camera itself, the surrounding area, the room number, everything. Record a video walkthrough of the room, pointing out the hidden camera and explaining what you found. Once you've documented everything, contact the authorities. Call the hotel management and let them know what you found. File a police report as well. This will create a paper trail and help protect you in case you need to take legal action. The more evidence you have, the better. Alright, let's talk about what to do if you find a hidden camera in your hotel room. First things first, don't panic. I know it's a scary situation, but it's important to stay calm and think clearly. Don't confront anyone at the hotel. You don't know who's behind this, and you don't want to put yourself in danger. Document everything, as we discussed in the previous chapter, and then contact the authorities. Call the police and report the crime. They'll be able to investigate the situation and hopefully catch the perpetrator. If you're traveling abroad, contact your embassy or consulate for additional support and resources. Look, I know this video was a lot, but the truth is, staying safe out there requires being informed. It's about being aware of your surroundings, trusting your gut, and taking steps to protect yourself. Most hotels are safe and most people are good, but there are creeps out there. and it's up to us to be smarter than them. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and safety advice. And as always, stay safe out there, my friends. Peace.